Good morning, guys. It's Jada, and so today my hair looks ratchet. Hold on. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Today is a wonderful day. I only wanna get to know you before I'm gone. Only wanna get to know you before I'm gone. I am going to be shooting with Aeropostale today. Oh my gosh. Literally, I don't, what is my life? If you would have told my middle school self this, I wouldn't believe you at all. Like, Aeropostale is what I used to wear all the time as a kid, like especially in elementary and middle school. Oh my god, all their stuff. I submitted myself for their shoot, and it's for their spring 2020 shoot. I'm not necessarily sure when I can release this vlog because it'll probably be a while from now. So, but today is November 18th. It's Monday. So, yeah, that's currently the sitch. What is this? I don't need to put on makeup or anything this morning. I'm just putting on some moisturizer so that the cold literally doesn't eat me up. And then some lip gloss because they're gonna do my hair, makeup, and all the things. So I don't need to do anything at all. I just need to have some breakfast. I don't even think I need to do that because they're catering today. So it's gonna be a great day. I'm so excited to work with these awesome people and this awesome team. And yeah, I have this one pimple here and it's really freaking annoying, but you know what? Ugh. That's why Photoshop exists. I slept in my outfit. Do you guys ever do that? I slept in my leggings because I just don't want to, I didn't want to change into them this morning. So, yep. So I'm wearing this shirt today. I should brush my hair out so that I'm not dealing with complete, like, mess. I'm basically ready. That was fast. Do I need to do anything else? I just want, like, more lotion on my body. It is so cold outside, so I don't even know what jacket I'm gonna wear. That was fast. I literally did not need to wake up this early. It's literally 6 something. This morning I think I'm just gonna have a bowl of cereal. That sounds, I never really have cereal for breakfast because I feel like it's not filling enough. And guys, yesterday I broke a plate while washing dishes. I put it on the rack and it like slid through or something and it just like exploded. So there's that. Okay, so I finished breakfast, I put on my coats and stuff, and I'm about to head out. I will vlog the entire day. Why is it raining? Like, nothing on the forecast said that. No one said it was raining, and then I walk out and I'm like... Now I'm walking to the building to where we're shooting. I'm super early, which is fine, but better early than late, you know? So, we're on track. I think I'm like 5 minutes away. I'm at Starbucks. I'm sweating so much. I have to take off my jacket and like I'm just sweating because the heat is on blast and like my body is just constantly Okay, well anyways, what I was saying was that I'm either really cold or really hot. Like I'm never like in the middle. So I'm like really hot now and it looks like I'm just like living in the summer. It's 7:49. I'm gonna eat this sandwich. I'm hungry. Again, I'm gonna head to the studio in a few minutes. It's 8:07. I have to be there by 8:30. It's a good old time though. I'm already like exhausted. I started yawning and I was like, no. And I didn't get coffee, so hopefully I have coffee there. So I'm here at the studio, ready to shoot for today. The other model that I just met, she's getting her makeup done now, so I almost got lost, by the way. Here, I can give you guys a little tour of the place, I guess. There's some food over there, but I already ate, so not really a point. And yeah. I just remembered. Yay! Apple turnovers make the world go round. Okay, so we just shot one look. Oh, sorry, it's going on. I'm in my second look. I'm excited. I'm about to get styled. I don't know what earrings I'm gonna have. But yeah, I want to see if I can prop up my camera over there so that when I'm actually shooting, you guys can see what's going on. So yeah. These are all the clothes. New fit. So guys, this is where I got my hair and makeup done today. Here's the assortment of things. It's super fun. You can pan and show.
Are you going to like edit this?
Oh yeah, I can edit it. Okay, panning skills. Okay, this is the next shirt. I haven't worn Aero in like years, but this feels like so fun. This is the next fit. I kind of like this. I don't wear jean skirts that much. Cool. Lunch is here. There's that. She like lunch. That's the star of the show. Nothing else. We're done. And cut.
You're doing some vlogging?
That's for her.
Vlogging it up?
Here we go.
Okay, we changed the top. Same skirt. Okay, new fit. I got some sweatpants on, good, because I was freezing, and then some slippers. How cute. We're still shooting back there. I wonder if I can get some shots. Yeah, there's, if I zoom all the way in.
Another reason to leave, but we sit at home.
My photos have popped up a couple times, but those are John B's.
One day I'll
that computer.
Cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.
We're getting iced matchas, or matchas. I'm getting an iced one, she's getting a hot one. From the matcha bar, coffee bar. We got it, yay, we're happy girls.
Cause we're trying to feel the hole in our souls. Trying to feel the music, let it
My hair's pulled back now.
Stuck on the bottom, trying
I'm
to feel
drinking.
on top. Wishing everything would just
My
come to a
shots came up on the
stop.
screen, they look so good.
Being hurt, what a concept. Gotta stay alive, yeah, that's the
Got
mindset.
myself an athletic fit, which is literally my forte.
Gotta be awake, gotta live this life. Hoping there's more, but knowing there's less. We gotta keep going and hope for the best. Walking the streets, just you and me. Trying to fill the void, trying not to bleed. Sometimes life just moves too slow. You gotta find a reason to push it and go. You know we're trying our best.
So I'm taking a break, I'm like in between. This is another look that I haven't done yet, but it's cold. I'm in a little robe. Y'all, that's my second one. We're not gonna talk about it. It's not even focusing, but well, there you go. She's focused. I'm gonna eat this. Bye. My hair has gotten so messy. Okay, we're almost done with the shoot. I've been moving super fast. We've been moving fast. It is currently 4:07 p.m. Life is good. Yeah. I finished my last outfit. I'm literally eating this bowl of Chex Mix and charging my phone before I have to leave. But it was a successful day. I mean, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Leaving the studio now. It was such a great shoot today, super productive, got so much done. Now it's like rainy and foggy and disgusting outside, so I'm gonna possibly head home and get some food and stuff. So yes, goodbye. I'm now at my favorite Thai place on my like corner slash block, and Melinda's gonna meet up with me and Isaac, and we're gonna have some dinner to end our night. I'm super exhausted. I just want to sit, which I currently am, and yeah, it is 5:37, which is literally not late at all. I'm just, I do not wake up early. Are you ready for some Thai food? Yes. Yes. Are you trying to feel on top? Wishing all the shit would just come to a stop.